Rutgers University, I'm weather watcher Colleen McHugh here on Friday, November 14th with your morning forecast. So jumping right into the almanac, last night we hit a low of 33 degrees. Many of us saw some snow last night in New Brunswick. However, it did not actually reach freezing. Average low for this time of year is 36, so we're right around average. Record low is 15, so it might have felt like a record low outside yesterday, but nowhere close to that. The sun rose at 6:42 this morning, and it will set at 4:40 this afternoon. So jumping right into our weather headlines, today we're looking at a cooler but dry day, a clear weekend ahead, but again cool, and cool temperatures continue for next week. Nothing really major going on in the weather for the next week. So today's highs, we have 43 down in Wildwood, 45 in New Brunswick, 42 degrees up in Sussex, much like yesterday's high temperatures. We have 42 down in Baltimore, 35 in Mount Pocono, and 42 up in Hartford. So here is the weather, here's a satellite from the past 12 hours. You see that New Brunswick did get snow, and a lot of New Jersey saw their first snowfall of the year. So now looking at our satellite for today, you see the snow pushing off, some of it reaching up into Boston and into Maine right now. Nothing really behind it. There's some maybe flurries out in central Pennsylvania, but nothing that'll come our way for today. Zooming out, that's the main story across the country. We do have some more snow showers up in Idaho. No major weather systems that will come into play and affect us for early on next week though. So looking at our futurecast, this is game time on Saturday. We have beautiful clear skies. No chance of rain for this forecast. Some clouds move in on Sunday. And Monday is where we see maybe a chance of showers. There's some snow showers out in western Pennsylvania, but really nothing too major. So looking at our daily planner today, we do see sunny and clear skies throughout the day, cooling off after sunset. And a look ahead again today, a high at 45 for New Brunswick, winds out of the northwest at 9 to 14 miles an hour. And tonight we do see a low of 25 degrees, winds out of the northwest at 6 miles an hour, and mostly clear. And as I step out for your 7-day forecast, Saturday is looking like a great day for Rutgers football, high of 44 and sunny. Sunday, high of 48 and sunny. And Monday is where we could see some rain, high of 49. It cools off again on Tuesday, high of 41. Into Wednesday and Thursday, even cooler. So if you missed us, you can catch us on RUTV Channel 6, Channel 23.1, every 15 minutes. You can like us on Facebook, follow us on Twitter, and use the hashtag RUWeather, or you can find us on the web at weatherwatcher.rutgers.edu. I'm Colleen McHugh. Have a wonderful Friday, Rutgers.